Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crazy Captain channel. Today we're talking about gas cans. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crazy Captain channel. Today we're talking about gas cans and I'm reviewing the no spill gas can. I've owned this gas can for about 7 to 8 years. It's been a great gas can and it's held up really well. It's very heavy duty, very easy to use. It has two handles on it. I got a handle at the top right here and a handle at the side. So when you go to use it for a push mower or something smaller on the ground, you're not killing yourself just holding it with one hand. So it's got two handles, tips over nicely. It has an easy green button that you push on the spout.
And here's a close-up view of the green button on the spout that you push. When you push that green button, it does flow out slower than other types of gas cans, but the reason it does go out slower is because this actually has an auto stop function. Once the gas fills up in the tank, then the gas will actually stop flowing. And as you can see by the picture, it's a really high quality plastic material it's made of. Here's some of the features we have. You can see it's the press the button for the pour. It's a flow automatic, stops whenever the mower generator tank is full, which is a nice feature to have. You don't have to worry about that much over spillage. And this comes in 5-gallon containers or 2.5-gallon containers. And as you can see on the picture, it looks like there might be a 1-gallon container available, but I have not seen it available in any stores. Here's a picture of me filling up a zero-turn mower. I like to remove the cap. I set it on the armrest, and you press that green button to get the gas to flow out. And as you can tell by the picture, when it flows out, the flow volume is not really high, but it's just so much easier to use because you're not using all your strength holding up that gas can. When you release the button, it stops, and you don't have any spillage. Here's a picture of me doing it on a Honda push mower. Once again, it's really easy to do. You just set it in there. You can rest it on your lawnmower, press the green button, it'll start flowing. It'll automatically shut off once the gas tank is full. There will be a little bit of spillage, but it's really not that much. As you can see in the picture right there, it doesn't really spill out that much. You're not going to get gas all over the floor or the concrete of the lawnmower, just a little bit around the tip of it as it stops. So this is a high quality gas can, really good quality materials they used on it. Has a really nice spout. I like the two handles on it. It seems to be very durable and lasts a long time, as I've owned this for a long time. I do highly recommend a no spill gas can. Go ahead and check it out. It's available on Amazon. We'll put the link down below.